In this practice, you will create a sheet set from an existing drawing and add additional sheets to the set from another drawing. Start a new drawing based on the AutoCAD drawing template provided with AutoCAD software. Open the Sheet Set Manager and close any sheet sets that are open. In the Sheet Set Manager, select New Sheet Set. In the Begin page, select Existing Drawings and click Next. Name the sheet set California House and set Sheet Sets Project California House in the practice file folders as a location in which to store the DST file. Click Sheet Set Properties. Add and set the model view location to be Sheet Sets Projects California House Resource Drawings in the practice file folder. Click OK to close the Sheet Sets dialog box. Click Next to continue. In the Choose Layout page, click Import Options. Clear the prefix sheet title with file name option and click OK. Click Browse to open Sheet Sets Projects California House Resource Drawings in the practice file folder. Select C-House-A drawing and all of its layouts. Verify that they have a check mark. Clear C-Site-F drawing. Click Next to continue. In the Confirm page, note that the Sheet Set Preview displays 5 sheets. Click Finish. In the Sheet Set Manager, in the Sheet List tab, right-click on the sheet set name California House and select New Subset. Name the new subset Architectural and click OK. Drag and drop the sheets into the Architectural subset. Arrange the sheets in this particular order. Arrange them in the order of the names, not by number. You will renumber them later. Right-click on the first sheet and select Rename and Renumber. In the Rename and Renumber sheet dialog box, change the number to A1 and click Next. Number the following sheets A2, A3, etc. In the Sheet Set Manager, hover the cursor over the sheet to display the tulip and preview. In the Sheet List tab, right-click on the sheet set name California House and select New Subset. Name the new subset Civil. Right-click on the Civil subset and select Import Layout as Sheet. Click Browse for Drawings. In the Practice File folder, in the Sheet Sets Projects California House Resource Drawings, select C-Site-F drawing. It contains one layout called Site Plan. Click Import Checked to import the layout. Right-click on the new sheet and select Rename and Renumber. Name it C1-Site Plan. Close the sheet set.